Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt that dreaded sting from a razor cut, or the itchiness that comes after shaving, you know the struggle is real. Finding a hair removal method that's gentle, effective, and convenient for your body can feel like a never-ending quest. That's why today, we are doing a massive showdown. I've scoured Amazon to find 5 of the best-selling body trimmers for women, and we're going to put them head to head. From Philips to Bombay, we're testing them all to see which one deserves a spot in your beauty arsenal. Let's get started. First up, we have the Philips Body Trimmer for Women. The standout feature here is the skin-safe technology with rounded tips. It's designed specifically for sensitive areas, making it a great choice if you're worried about irritation. It's a simple, 2-in-1 trim or shave function, perfect for intimate areas, arms, and legs. It's also super travel-friendly. The 2-year warranty gives you some peace of mind. While it might not have a ton of extra heads, its focus on safety and simplicity is a huge plus. Next, we have the Egaro Rechargeable 3-in-1. The keyword here is multi-purpose. This one claims to handle everything: face, legs, eyebrows, underarms, and your bikini area. It promises 90 minutes of runtime, which is fantastic for multiple uses on a single charge. It's a great all-in-one solution if you don't want a separate tool for each body part. The design is sleek and minimalist, and for those who travel, that 90-minute runtime means you can probably leave the charger at home for a short trip. Moving on, let's look at the Caresmith Bloom 4-in-1. This trimmer stands out with its 3 dedicated heads: a body trimmer and shaver, a face trimmer, and an eyebrow trimmer. This is a game changer if you want specialized tools for different areas. The fact that it's rechargeable is a given, but having specific heads means you get a more precise and tailored trim for each part of your body. The vibrant green color is also a nice touch, making it easy to spot in your bathroom. Now for the Bombay 6-in-1. This is the Swiss Army knife of body trimmers. With its 6-in-1 functionality, it handles bikini, eyebrows, and facial hair with different attachments. The 90-minute runtime and C-type charging are huge convenience factors. Plus, it's waterproof and claims to be quick, gentle, and painless. The sensitive name suggests a focus on user comfort, and the C-type charging is a major modern upgrade that we love to see. And finally, we have the painless electric bikini trimmer. This one's a star because of its IPX7 waterproof rating, which means you can use it in the shower for a quick and easy wet shave. It's a 2-in-1 wet and dry use hair remover for your bikini line, underarms, legs, and face. The rose gold color is beautiful, and being rechargeable means no more fumbling with batteries. This is the go-to if you prefer to do your grooming in the shower. Alright, let's get to the main event, the head-to-head comparison. Your support means a lot. Hit that subscribe button to keep getting valuable product insights and buying tips. Product links are displayed in description area, you may use it to buy. Best for beginners, sensitive skin, the Philips BRT38315 takes the crown here. Its focus on skin-safe technology and rounded tips makes it the least intimidating option. Most attachments, best value, the Bombay 6-in-1 with its C-type charging and multiple attachments offers the most bang for your buck. It truly is an all-in-one powerhouse. Best for travel, the Egaro 3-in-1 with its 90-minute runtime is perfect for long trips without needing a charger. Best for shower use, the painless electric trimmer with its IPX7 waterproof rating is the clear winner for wet use. Most specialized, the Caresmith Bloom with its separate heads for body, face, and eyebrows gives you a precision that single head trimmers can't match. Whichever you choose, all of these are great options to upgrade your grooming routine. You can find links to all of these in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next video. What's your go-to trimmer? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.